Good morning to one and all. In this class, we are going to study about human eye and colourful world. Particularly, we are going to study about structure of human eye. Human eye is one of the important sense organ of our human body. In fact, it is a God's gift. The only one sense organ which enables us vision is human eye. Today, we are able to see all the beautiful things around us only because of human eye. And in this class, we are going to study as a part of chapter number 5. We are going to study human eye and colourful world. I feel very glad to say this topic regarding the structure of human eye. Human eye consists of an eyeball which is spherical in shape. And I would like to tell you the outer membrane of the human eye is transparent and which is protective and which is visible from outside is called cornea. Cornea protects human eye from external injuries. Behind the cornea, the space is filled with a liquid that is nothing but aqueous humor, and behind this aqueous humor, there are hard crystalline lenses which are responsible for image formation. In the human eye, we have convex lens. These convex lenses are always forms a real, inverted, and diminished image, and these are present as eye lens. Our eye lens is nothing but convex lens. Convex lens are nothing but converging lens. What we have studied in our previous classes, and behind this convex lens and between this aqueous humor and convex lens, there is a muscular diaphragm, and the muscular diaphragm is nothing but iris. Iris is only the colored part in the eye. Inside the iris, there is a black hole. That black hole is nothing but pupil. In a case of highlight condition, pupil is expanded. In a low light condition, pupil is expanded. In a high light condition, pupil is contracted. Normally, you might have seen in your day-to-day life, if there is no light available, our eye will be expanded. Nothing but pupil is expanded. In the case of low light, pupil will be expanded. In the case of high light, pupil will be contracted. That iris makes people to act as a variable aperture. When it is acting as a variable aperture, we are able to see the things very clearly. So, iris makes sure that excess of light will not enter into the eye. If you know excess of light enters into the eye, definitely our eye will be damaged. So, depending upon the nature of the light, if light is very high, then people will contract. If light is low, then people will expand. Because of this nature, people acts as a variable aperture. Iris enables people to act as a variable aperture, and that is the reason why our eye is not damaged. And one more thing, to this iris or to this lens, ciliary muscles are attached. To this lens, ciliary muscles are attached. Ciliary muscles play an important role in accommodation of eye lens. Normally, when we see a distant object, ciliary muscles are relaxed, focal length will be maximum. When we see an object very near to us, then ciliary muscles are strained, focal length will be minimum. Basing on the focal length only, the image is formed on retina. Retina is the inner layer of the eye where the image is formed. Whenever we see anything through our eye lens, to this lens we see that image, and the image to that eye lens we see the object, and the image is formed on retina. Retina is very delicate membrane. It is the inner membrane of the eye. And coming to the ciliary muscles plays a very important role in human eye. Whenever we see a distant object, then ciliary muscles are relaxed. When the ciliary muscles are relaxed, the focal length is maximum. When we see a near object, then ciliary muscles are strained, then the focal length is minimum. And the distance between lens and retina is always fixed, that is 2.5 centimeters. And ciliary muscles plays a very important role in forming an image exactly on the retina by adjusting the focal length. See, if we want to get the image on the same place, the thing what we have to do is, we have to adjust the focal length. Whenever we adjust the focal length, then the image is exactly formed on the place what we have expected. If we don't adjust the focal length, then we cannot say where the image is formed. Only by adjusting the focal length only image is formed. And coming to the retina, it consists of 125 million receptors, nothing but rods and cones. Rods identify the intensity of light. Cones identify the color. Somebody will be getting night blindness or somebody cannot identify the color. That means they have less amount of cones. And moreover, here we have optical nerves. When we see anything to our lens, optical nerves carry the information to the brain. There the image is processed, the information is processed and to the optical nerves. Again the information is received at retina. That is the reason why the image is formed on retina. Two astonishing features here about human eye is iris enables people to act as variable aperture, and ciliary muscles play a very important role in accommodation of parents. For small children, if say below 10 years, the ciliary muscles are very strong. They can undergo any kind of strain. That is the reason why they used to see the object like this. But at this age, we used to see object like this. Because our ciliary muscles cannot undergo that kind of strain. For old people, the ciliary muscles are very weak. And they used to have bifocal lens for that reason. Thank you for giving this opportunity. It is very important topic in 10th class. Has been asked many times. Even if you go to biological background, if you take BPC in intermediate, this plays a very important role. Thank you.